Rapid urbanization is a sign of India's rising growth and prosperity. Millions of newcomers in the cities need their houses and infrastructure. The industry has grown at 10% annually in the last decade, providing 8% of India's GDP and its second largest employment opportunity. The extent of urbanization is reflected by housing demand in India. The demand for housing is projected to reach 770 million units by 2030. The construction sector in India is a primary resource consumer, responsible for 20% of the economy's resource consumption, which has quadrupled in a 10-year period. Some of the most important ingredients like sand, cement and bricks are extremely critical in terms of economic and ecological sustainability. On the other hand, there lies opportunity. Based on a 10-city survey, India generated 716 million tons of construction debris in 2015. The industry immediately needs interventions in terms of recovering debris, reuse, and using substitutes for critical resources. In response to this need, GIZ, along with Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change of Government of India and few partner institutions, started an Indo-German bilateral cooperation project in 2014 to demonstrate resource efficiency applicable to the demolition and construction sector.
Today, we mark the auspicious ceremony of this MOU, this agreement between Ahmedabad Enviro Projects, GIZ and Development Alternatives.
The project signed an MOU with an Ahmedabad-based company, Ahmedabad Enviro Projects, for improvement of recycling and utilization of C&D waste. The company is currently recycling demolition waste in partnership with the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. After crushing and sorting, coarse and fine recycled aggregates can be used as substitutes for natural stone aggregate and sand.
The collection and recycling of construction and demolition waste is a developing issue here in India, but needs still support to grow as a market. The resource efficiency project is targeting to improve the utilization of secondary resources, thus reducing the consumption of primary resources and accordingly and in consequence reducing greenhouse gas emissions as well.
The project is helping the company to get their products certified through Griha, a government-recognized eco-label for wider acceptance in the market.
Achieving resource efficiency through use of construction and demolition waste is a very lucrative and affordable solution. And as the new rules have already come up by Ministry of Environment and Forest, the model in Ahmedabad has to be replicated in other cities also.
Learning from this project will be used to develop capacities among municipal officials as well as new entrepreneurs to promote efficient C&D waste management and utilization in India. This effort becomes very important economically, as almost 65% of building cost is just the cost of material.
Keeping materials at its highest value and utility, we manufacture products like pavers, modular toilets, and benches, thus completing a closed-loop cycle in the construction industry.
This is just the beginning. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has notified new C&D waste management rules in 2016, which, if fully implemented, will allow the recovery of significant amounts of resources like recycled aggregates and scrap steel, as well as reduce greenhouse gas emissions.